It's the last day of school and we are going to move your body. Please watch your teachers. If you can't see me, there's a teacher that's an expert at the dance that's somewhere near you. Like Petruno, Miss Callahan, Miss Preto, Miss Colbert, Miss Nora, they're all awesome. Miss Macaluso, there's someone near you that can do it. Are we all ready? Let's move our body.
Let's move.